Hello everyone, my name is Satish Birazdar. Today I'm going to present you my telemedicine app. Okay, let's go forward for it. Telemedicine is also referred as a telehealth, which allows you healthcare professions to evaluate, diagnose, and treat patients in remote locations using some telecommunication technology. So over here, today I'm going to present you one telemedicine app. The name of the app is DocChatter. So where you can see we can see the application installed on iOS devices. So first, this device is iPhone 6s. This is iPhone 5s, and let's begin our presentation by opening the application. So if now I open and tap on this app on both of them. So now they ask us for a chat room and the username. So let's say this app is Sam1 chat room chat 1 2 3. Let's make it Sam, just Sam. It's logging in. Okay, as you can see, there is no user available for this chat room. So now we can log in this application with Nick. And chat room should be chat. Okay, as you logged in with this username, now you can see there is one user available for this application. Now if we refresh this table, now this person is also available on this phone. So let me show you what exactly it includes on the home screen. So here you can see the list of the users available on the same chat room, and there is a settings button here on top where you can tap and you can make your personalized setting for your app. So for video row, you can choose which quality you would like to have, what kind of quality. It's like everything depends on how good is your network connectivity. Either is it good for the HD video quality, or it has multiple choices where you can select these video qualities, going from 192 to 192 by 144 to 1280 to 960. So now here is also frame rate and and bandwidth that you can allow and customize them as you need. So I hope this will be able to work with the quality that you might need. And then also this application, as I told, that this application is also available for iPads, so that the quality would definitely matter over there. So let's go for another setting, which is audio setting. So there are three types of audio settings that you can make. So first one is Opus, and the second one is Isaac. Third one is iLib. So if you see that if your network connection is with Wi-Fi, then it is preferred to use Opus, and if it's like in 3G, then you can prefer Isaac. If it's still not working, then the last option would be iLib, where you would have some low quality, but still it would work for your low internet connection, lowest internet connection available on your phone. So let's go again here. So as you see that we have logged in this user by name called Nick. You have an option by logging to log out and log in with another user whenever you want. So let's go to the done button and see the user list. Now, as you can see, here is if you select one of the user here, there's a radio button kind of thing here. So we get two options called audio call and video call. So now let's begin with the audio call for now and see how it works. Okay, it's a small ring that you can hear when you receive a call, but that's how it is. Let's make it a little louder so that you can hear it. Okay, so now if I pick up this call, I will have the information saying incoming audio call from Sam, ID of the device. No, not device, the user that we have created on the admin side. Okay, let's pick up the call. Let's see how it works. Okay, you might hear some echo here, but please bear it. Okay, so now you can see there is audio call going from this phone to this phone. You can hear it when I go for. Okay, hello, I'm calling. Nick is calling. Nick is speaking. Now if you go here, hello, Sam is speaking. Okay. This is how the audio call works. Now if I have an option saying that if I want to go on mute, I can go on mute on either phone, which works fantastic. Now you can see that if I have muted here, I can go there and see hello. You won't be able to hear there because I have muted here. Hello, Nick is speaking. Okay. See, now you cannot hear from this phone because my mic was muted. Okay, and we have another option called speaker here. Okay, now here's the thing where you usually hear the echo, and that's how it usually happens when you have two devices at the same place. It's an echo problem, that's a normal thing. So let's disconnect it by ending it. See, you can see there is a small label at in between where you can see what is the status of the call. It's connected. Now if Nick disconnects from here, then it will say this is closed. When I disconnected, Nick disconnected, the label shows that a label on Nick's side says it's closed, and label on the Sam side shows it's hang up. So it will give appropriate message showing what is the status of the connection, who disconnected it accordingly. So now let's try calling Nick from Sam's phone, and let's choose a video call. See, there is an option. There are two options here. If I click on video call, then you can see Now here we are. Sam is here. Incoming video call. So let's tap on the green button. Okay. Now one video is on. The other video is still loading. Okay. So now there would be a lot of echo here. Just bear with me, or maybe I'll just mute both the phones so that you won't have that problem. Okay, I have muted on both users. So now you can see two video calls going on with their display pictures. So now here we have four options. First option is if you want to switch off your video, you have that option by clicking on this. See, you have done the video off on both sides. So the guy cannot see, Sam cannot see Nick right now because his video is off. The second option is that we already did, that is already enabled, is a mic button, mute it. So so that's where the problem comes in. It's better to mute it off. Mute on, sorry. So the third option is the speaker option. So now as we have muted on both sides, it won't have any audio. So if I disable the mute here, I will be able to hear on the speaker. Hello, 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 hello. See how this is how the speaker works. If I turn that off, then that should be fine. And the fourth option, okay, let me turn this off. Fourth option is a screen share. Screen share was available, is available here to show the screen of the other device. Like it's just one more feature that I added, but it is not completely finished. But I don't think right now it is that my preferred goal. So it's an ultimate optional goal that I just added. But you can see the screen as so far. So in future, for extension, people can actually show the documents from their phone by going to the home button and looking after different applications through the screen share. The reason why it is not working here right now is the push notifications that are usually provided by the applications by APNS server to the application is not correctly working, because a month back or so, like Apple enabled ATS. ATS is Apple Transportation Security, where they have forced developers to use HTTPS rather than going with HTTP. So that's where the problem is coming up. So as the third-party integration that we are using, which is QuickBlocks, is using HTTP protocol for communicating with the servers. So right now, so that's the reason that I can think of that is disallowing us to use a push notification. So this is how it looks. In future, you would be able to see the screen of the whole device, because if I click on the home button, so let's say if I click on here, hello. So now if I click on the home button, the screen share is not been updated, because it should actually share the screen of the device itself and should be able to show the documents of any patient. This is all my app about. So I hope you guys liked the video, and